Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of I'm Doing This Because I'm Bored. And in today's episode, I am back in the kitchen. You must be wondering what I'm gonna do in the kitchen this time. Well, this time I'm gonna be making a achar. Hey y'all, this is my first time doing any voiceover type of stuff, so I'm gonna be really awkward, okay? Please excuse that. Anyway, so for this recipe, you're gonna be needing 5 to 6 moderate sized onions. I had, theek thak bade bade, so I used 5. You're also gonna be needing a knife to obviously cut the stuff up, lesun, because I love lesun. It's very optional though, and you will also be needing nimbu mircha.
ये क्या लेके बैठी तू? नींबू मिर्चा ये लगेज में डाल। ये कौन घुसड़ा है इसको?
This is optional for you, but I took out a katora for kachra and a katora to put the slices of stuff in. I also used a jugadu cutting board, which is basically a plate upside down. Before I start chopping, सबसे पहले तो मैं चश्मा पहन के आती हूँ because I don't want to cry today. Let's move past that. You're supposed to cut the onions exactly how Aditi Rao Hadari explains it. You have to cut it against the green in moon shapes, okay? My god, this is so awkward. I've not done this before. The onions cut me no slack. Which is ironic because I was cutting the onions. Back to the Sasta Jugaad cutting plate. We are peeling 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, out of which we're getting 2 garlic cloves and mincing them to put in tadka, and baki jo bachenge, we're gonna put it in the actual achar itself. After which you're gonna put aside the minced garlic because obviously wo tadke mein jayega, and the solid garlic pieces are gonna go in that katora. So yeah, after that you're gonna slice a few chilies and squeeze in 2 lemons. I did 1 lemon right now, and I'm gonna do 1 lemon after I add the masala and stuff. Now you're gonna have to get your hands dirty. So you're gonna put your hands inside uske mein jo lachhe create karne hai. For that you're gonna have to separate the onion pieces from each other. So that's gonna create some nice laches. But make sure ki you're not doing that if you've sliced the onions very thin, because then it's gonna not be crunchy. The painful part is over. Now masala डालेंगे. There's still onion in my eye. Now it's time for the masala. So first you're going to be crushing soft between your palms like that and adding it, and then salt to taste, thoda sa haldi or dhania powder. Dhania powder is optional. If you want to add it, you can. Next you're going to be adding amchur powder, chaat masala, and lal mirchi powder to taste. But the people in my house cannot handle spice like I can, so they thought ki 2 chammach mirchi powder was too spicy. Weaklings, I'm telling you. Here my grandma entered to say hi, and then I added a little bit of garam masala because like you can, and then I mixed it up really well. I tasted a bit, it was perfectly fine, but it was missing lemon, so here I added the second one. One more thing you can do is, instead of adding the masala kacha, you can add it in your tadka and then directly tadka laga ke, add the masala and stuff. But mujhe kacha dalna pasand hai. I don't know why, I just like doing it. After this, you're gonna be adding ekdam ek chutki bhar ka hing because it's too strong and we're gonna be adding it in the tadka anyway. We are now done with the dry stuff. अब हम डालेंगे फोड़नी या फिर तड़का. तो लेट अस गो. तड़के के लिए मैंने अपनी छोटी कढ़ाई दैट इज़ मुन्ना को यूज़ किया. सरसों तेल का तड़का देंगे अपन. यू कैन यूज़ एनी अदर ऑयल दैट यू वांट. आई यूज़ सरसों तेल, उसमें राई, जीरा और अपनी लहसुन को डाल के लेट इट गेट नाइसली गोल्डन ब्राउन एंड देन एडेड इट टू माई मिक्सचर ऑफ प्याज एंड शिट. मस्त वाली छस आवाज़ सुन के आई मिक्स इट अप रियली वेल, एडेड इट टू माई डब्बा ऑफ अचार. उसमें पहले वाला बैच रखा हुआ था, सो आफ्टर एडिंग इट इन आई मिक्सड इट रियली वेल. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई डू इज़ बिफोर ईटिंग इट आई मिक्स इट रियली वेल, सो मेक श्योर यू डू दैट. एंड हमारा अचार बन के रेडी है. इट्स लिटरली दिस ईजी टू मेक अचार. उसके बाद मैंने अपने किचन के काउंटर पे स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का पालन किया, क्योंकि अगर मैं नहीं करती मेरी दादी मुझे मार डालती। एनीवे, उस कटोरे पे जो मसाला बचा हुआ है मैंने उसको चाट चाट के मस्त रोटी के साथ खाया।